Welcome back to Highway Legends, the channel where we dive into the world of extraordinary automobiles and the legends behind them. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the beauty of engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore one of the most anticipated supercars of 2025, the new SSC Tuatara. Buckle up as we take you through its incredible features, performance specifications, and what makes this car a true masterpiece. Now, let's rev up our engines and dive into the heart of the SSC Tuatara 2025. The SSC Tuatara is not just a supercar, it's a statement. Designed and manufactured by SSC North America, this car is a blend of cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic excellence, and sheer power. The 2025 model has taken everything we loved about its predecessor and amplified it to new heights. Let's start with the design. The 2025 SSC Tuatara features a sleek, aerodynamic body that reduces drag and enhances stability at high speeds. The exterior is made from a combination of carbon fiber and lightweight materials, ensuring that it is both sturdy and lightweight. The sharp lines and aggressive stance make the Tuatara an eye-catching presence on the road. The front fascia includes a prominent grille and LED headlights that give it a menacing look. The rear of the car features an adjustable wing, which not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also improves downforce, ensuring that the car sticks to the road even at insane speeds. Moving inside, the interior of the SSC Tuatara 2025 is a blend of luxury and functionality. The cabin is adorned with premium leather and carbon fiber accents, creating a sophisticated environment. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort during both daily drives and high-speed runs. One of the standout features of the interior is the state-of-the-art infotainment system. It includes a large touchscreen display, offering navigation, media controls, and connectivity options. The sound system is top-notch, providing an immersive audio experience as you zoom down the highway. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 SSC Tuatara is equipped with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an astounding 1,750 horsepower. This incredible power allows the Tuatara to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. The engine is paired with a 7-speed automated manual transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts. The Tuatara features an advanced all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and stability, whether you're on a racetrack or the open road. The SSC Tuatara 2025 boasts a top speed of over 300 miles per hour, thanks to its aerodynamic design and powerful engine. During test runs, the car has shown the potential to break speed records, solidifying its place among the elite supercars in the world. Handling is another area where the Tuatara excels. The car is equipped with active suspension that adjusts based on driving conditions, providing a smooth ride without compromising performance. The carbon ceramic brakes offer exceptional stopping power, allowing you to bring this beast to a halt safely. The 2025 model of the SSC Tuatara is packed with technological innovations. It features a customizable digital dashboard that provides real-time data on speed, engine performance, and navigation. Additionally, the car is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance technology. These features enhance safety without detracting from the exhilarating driving experience. One of the defining characteristics of the SSC Tuatara 2025 is its exclusivity. Only a limited number of units will be produced, making it a coveted collector's item. Owners have the opportunity to customize their Tuatara, selecting from a range of colors, materials, and features to create a vehicle that is truly unique to them. In conclusion, the SSC Tuatara 2025 is not just a car, it's a marvel of modern engineering. With its stunning design, blistering performance, and advanced technology, it represents the pinnacle of what a supercar can be. Whether you're a collector or a driving enthusiast, the Tuatara is a vehicle that demands attention and respect. Thank you for joining us today on this deep dive into the new SSC Tuatara 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Highway Legends. Share your thoughts about the Tuatara in the comments below. What feature excites you the most? Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the pedal to the metal.